sitting in the salon is eating. Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I can't believe I'm only opening this vlog here. I'm not sure if this part is gonna be in addition to the other vlog. Just in case that one is long, then this is gonna be where we begin this vlog. Okay, so welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for sticking around. I know I haven't been around in a very long time. I've got footage and content for days, but when it comes to editing, baby, I'm in trouble. I've got a lot of content that I'm struggling to edit, but I'm gonna work around it. I'm currently on leave and I'll explain all of that and more. I'm not sure if it's going to be a part of this vlog or it's going to be the part of the previous vlog, but I'm still in Johannesburg on leave, which now has turned to being sick leave. But I don't want to get into that. It's kind of depressing. But anyway, I'm here to get my nails done. At least that's something exciting. Yeah, I need a little bit of a pick-me-up. It's been such a crazy month, and even worse, it's my birthday month, and their departure. Yeah, yes, for a moment ago, I play too much. But anyway, it looks like this is a stand. I think I'm gonna put my phone here. Okay, I'm looking at myself in the mirror. Okay, I'm struggling. I need to get a tripod. A tripod. Yeah. Okay, I'm with my sister and we're here at Nails by Mabel Salon, and I don't have a tripod. I'll show you what I'm using as a stand. I don't have a tripod. I left mine in the Northern Cape. My tongue. Anyway, so yeah, we're here. Mabel is back in the country. I've been struggling to get someone else who could do my nails, and of course I've tried a lot of people, but they just don't truly get it right, and in my defense, I'm not even cheating on my nail tech. She was not in the country, so now that she's back, I needed to capitalize on that. So I'm getting my nails done, and I'm using in fact, I don't even know hello. So yes, I don't know which nails. Hello. Okay, she's here. I'll catch up with you guys later. How are you?
Accident, they get a cut you They normal they a cut now. Oh, didn't really go into my eye.
Remember you used to drive fine. I pick up whenever you call. In the parking lot in Tucson. Are you with me? In the Phantom with the roof gone. I pull up like Jimmy Neutron. I can help you get a move on. Like you hauling, I know. You like to go slow, but we could go faster. Tell me the password.
I wanted to. Yeah. I can. Yeah. Oh, this one here. Okay.
So what's up and out together? All the nights we got together. She must come and dance together. I'm not gonna leave her. So what's up and out? I shall try to love.
Hey guys, I'm waiting for an Uber. I'm hungry. This is my first meal for the day, and it's almost 3 o'clock. I have a week installation appointment in Dubai. I hope this is audible. Also, there's a background sound, so.
Oh my love, can't you see yourself on my side? No surprise, we're partners, darling, every night. Oh my love, can't you see yourself on my mind? Don't surprise, you can't convince your lover, change his mind. So let's go.
So yeah, my channel is new. I started it in January.
Okay.
And the plan was to release a vlog every once a month.
Yes.
So meaning I'm aiming to like take out 12 videos for this year. So hey, it's difficult, hey? Like I have a whole different level of respect for content creators. This is not easy. Yeah. The editing, yeah. The editing work is a lot because I must still learn the app.
Yes.
And then work on the sound where it's not good, and a whole lot of other things. So for those who are doing it full time, they're good. So yeah.
So when you do like once a month, is it not like less vlogging than maybe at least twice a month or so?
You know what? I think what I can do now, put something together, record for like 2 to 3 weeks, and then use the last week to edit, because editing can take a lot of time. I've seen myself editing for more than 6 hours, because sometimes after editing you try and upload your content, it doesn't go out because of network and other issues really. So I think if I can just try and be consistent, I'll get the hang of it, and then it'll be easy to release, the vlogs and so forth. Yeah. So yeah, you will see there on my bio on Instagram, there's a link to my channel.
Okay.
It's fairly new, and I have something to edit from
You stepped inside with the vibe I ain't never seen. Yes, you did. Ooh. So girl, if you talk like you walk, come and talk to me. Yeah. But look here, it would break my heart, break my heart.
online. I don't know, but I do have a love for it. It's just that the editing is a bit daunting, because I did edit some stuff, and then I get frustrated when I don't know how to compile the video.
Okay.
Yeah, so but I'll work around it.
I also think like if you have time to do it, like you can give yourself like, I know today it's just for my vlogs to edit and stuff. I think that will also work.
That's true.
And you can be now enjoying it because you know that I know I'll be doing this as a passion because you love it.
Yeah, that's a good one. Because if I think about it, I don't think I really want to work in the mining industry for forever.
Oh, you're in the mining industry.
Yeah. So now I'm thinking it's about time I come back to Joburg full time. You know, I notice how much I'm able to record content when I'm this side. Because in the Northern Cape, there isn't much to do. You know, you just go home, or rather you go to work, come back home from work, go shopping, come back home. There are not a lot of entertainment activities to do. Unlike this side, when I'm this side,
that's when you take content this side.
Yes, I'd even go on Google to find out what to do in Gauteng this weekend, and then that's when I'd get up to activities. Some of the things I don't even record, but I'm realizing, no man, I do so many things when I'm this side, but I don't record it. Actually, this is content. I could actually record it, you know. So, yeah. I think coming to Gauteng full time would be a good idea, but I will see. I just need to be serious about content creation.
Okay.
If I see my channel growing and if I start working with brands, then I'll definitely come this side full time. Because at the end of the day, I need this money that I make where I work to help support my channel. Because these activities that I do, I need money to go and enjoy. Yeah, so yeah, my hair looks bald. It looks like Chiscop.
It's like the picture of you with Chisco.
Yeah. I wanted to say what lace, but it's showing. But you know what? I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. I didn't have time to put on makeup in the morning. I'm not a makeup person when I go to work, but I needed to dab some of it here, just to hide the lace. But otherwise, we're good. We're good. Yes.
Let me start here. Hi, Pumi!
Hi!
Happy birthday! It's been so long!
Thank you! Oh my gosh!
This is for you. I couldn't decide and I was like, you know what, man?
Yeah.
This is how I view you. You're like a nice bunch of chaotic and I like it because it's still pretty, you know? You be chaotic with me and it's still beautiful.
Oh!
So this is for you.
Thank you! Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness!
I'm sure the people at the store, you know how many flowers I
Oh my goodness! Thank you so much!
I'm pretty sure Banjajile.
They have to get it. Like, as
Like
in,
for me, the back and forth I went through.
yeah, I can imagine. All for me?
All for you. And I was like, okay, you said you love sunflowers and I know you love roses. We have no roses here. Actually, I just couldn't decide. It was overwhelming. But happy birthday.
Thank you, friend. I am loved. I'm loved.
And this is what you asked for. And I hope, I don't know how it works. So maybe we must check. We must try and see. If
let's
yeah,
try it.
let's do it. Because I'm intrigued and it came with cold drink. So.
Oh, thank you so much.
I will like it.
I love it.
My mom was like, does she like Kind of sparkling water that much.
I do.
Yeah, she's like, okay.
Oh, thank you. Like what I asked, this is what I got.
You know?
Like,
And I came with a bit of snacks.
yeah.
So for today, I came with the wines.
This is my favorite.
The way I don't feel like alcohol, I got myself matcha.
No way.
I really don't feel
You love matcha that much.
I was like, this
Let's
sounds
try.
like a nice woman.
Yeah.
And then I came with chili bites. But I guess what feels like, okay, you think there'd be more, or maybe I'm delusional.
Let's see, 50 something?
35.
Okay.
It makes
These
sense.
are the new prices, yeah.
Because I'm like,
Yeah.
I bought 50 rands earlier on in the year. They were so much.
Yeah.
And it's not even half,
Yeah.
but they're way less.
Yeah. That's jingles for you. Did you get them from
I
this
got Pick and Pay. And then I
Ah,
got
this
those
is
snacks.
expensive.
I got those snacks for us too.
Yeah.
Because I was curious about the flavor. I've never had them.
Yeah.
I was like,
Oh,
okay, let me try.
okay. Great stuff. I didn't expect this. I forgot about this.
As
You
soon
did
as
say that you're gonna bring on the first, but I was like,
no, I said I'll bring when you come back, and then
Yeah.
your coming back was like delayed.
yeah.
And then and then I said I'll bring on the first when you
Yeah.
meet.
Because you were like, should I bring it on Tuesday or Thursday? Or
I
something?
wala.
I forgot. Now I'm
Don't
thinking
me.
wines. That's all I have in my head.
What's a user? Anyway,
Yeah.
I just achieved 1 year of purity. So this
Yeah.
I wanted to buy just these.
Yeah.
I felt like,
Tulips are the best. These are tulips, right? No?
I don't know.
No, it's not.
but I felt like it's a
These are
few more
lilies.
basing over weird. So I bought these ones to balance.
Yeah. Yeah, I love the whites.
I think it will balance. I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Look
Look at us being girls. I have a vase.
I told you how it's okay.
Very small.
You put yours in the vase. Mine you can
Yeah.
just dump in the sink with water.
Don't do that.
But okay, I get stress
Why?
Romela inventory list.
When yesterday, literally put it on the table. When I came in yesterday, I was like, hey, we don't give us the